In today's video, I'll show you how to install a 100% save file in Call of Duty Black Ops 2. Check my video description for the save file download link. Once download done, right click and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Right click on the game and select open file location. Open this players folder and this is the game progress. Backup before dropping this 100%. Right click on blank area and select new and select folder. Name this folder backup. Copy these files and paste it inside this backup. Once you're done, drag and drop these files inside this location, replace the file in the destination, and now you can launch the game. Select the campaign, go to replay mission, and choose the mission you like to play. Select the mission, and to show you guys the save is working. And as you can see, the save file successfully loads. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.